Arduino Uno is an electronic controller board that is used to build projects like robots, moving cars, etc. It works as the main control unit, like an Arduino board, that decides what a project should do. To make Arduino work, we first upload a program into its main controller chip. This program is written on a computer and sent to the Arduino using a USB cable. Inside the program, we tell Arduino which sensors are connected, what kind of data it should read, and what action it should take based on that data. After the code is uploaded, the Arduino starts working on its own. Sensors connected to the board send input signals to the controller chip. These inputs can be things like distance, light level, temperature, or motion. The controller chip receives this information and processes it according to the program stored inside it. Once the decision is made, Arduino sends output signals to different components. These outputs can control motors, turn LEDs on or off, play sound through a speaker, or activate other electronic devices. This process of taking input, processing it, and giving output is how Arduino Uno works in real projects. Now let's understand the physical parts of the Arduino board. At the center of the board, there is a controller chip. This chip stores the program and handles all the decision-making. It is responsible for reading sensor data and controlling connected components. Around the board, you will see many pins. These pins are used to connect sensors and output devices. Some pins are used to send and receive simple on and off signals, while others are used to read changing values from sensors, like light or temperature. The board also has power-related pins that supply voltage to sensors and modules connected to Arduino. These pins allow the entire circuit to work using the same power source. On one side of the board, there is a USB port. This port is used to connect Arduino to a computer. Through this connection, we upload the program and also provide power to the board during testing. There is also a power jack on the board. This is used when we want to run Arduino without a computer by connecting a battery or an external adapter. This allows Arduino projects to work independently. So in simple words, Arduino takes input from sensors, thinks according to the program inside it, and then controls output devices.